Tired of manually copying and pasting data between Google Sheets and other applications? In this video, we will show you how to connect Google Sheets to N8n, the powerful workflow automation tool, and supercharge your productivity in just a few steps. First, in N8n, navigate to the Credentials section. This is where you'll securely store your Google Sheets authentication details. Click on Create New Credential, then search and select Google Sheets. Give your credential a descriptive name, like My Google Sheets Connection. This helps you easily identify it later. Now, click on the Connect My Google Account button. A Google authentication window will pop up, prompting you to choose the Google account you want to connect to. N8n, make sure this is the account that owns the Google Sheet you want to access. Google will ask you to grant N8n permission to access your Google Sheets. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow. You'll be redirected back to N8n, and you should see a success message confirming that your Google Sheets account is now connected. Now you can use the Google Sheets node in your N8n workflows to read, write, and update data in your spreadsheets, automating all sorts of tasks. Think automatically adding new leads to a spreadsheet or sending customized email notifications based on spreadsheet updates. With Google Sheets connected to N8n, you can unlock streamlined data workflows and custom integrations, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Subscribe for more automation tutorials.